friends, here are some mysterious events from around the world that even today science and investigators have not been able to explain. After knowing about them, you too will stunned. Number 1. Around the 5th century, on the Swedish island of Åland, there was a fortified village known as Sandbyborg. It appeared to be a normal settlement, but when archaeologists began excavations in recent times, they discovered a horrifying mystery. Inside the village, numerous skeletons were found lying in homes and streets. Some bodies were in positions as if the people had suddenly fallen during an attack. One man's skeleton was found near the fireplace, and some people looked like they were killed while literally eating food. The strangest thing was that valuable items such as jewelry, coins, and daily use objects were still lying there untouched. Normally, in ancient raids, attackers would loot the valuables, but here much of it was found completely untouched. Researchers believe this was a brutal surprise massacre, perhaps due to rival groups or political conflicts, but the shocking part is that the bodies were never properly buried. It seems as if after the massacre, people completely abandoned the place, almost as if the village was considered cursed. Even today, the exact reason is not clear why the attackers showed such brutality and then left the valuables and the entire settlement behind. Because of this, Sandbyborg is counted among Europe's most disturbing unsolved archaeological mysteries. Number 2. In the northern desert area of Arica in Chile, thousands of years old mummies were preserved. They are counted among the world's oldest artificially preserved mummies. These were created by the ancient Kirono civilization and are considered even older than Egyptian mummies. But around 2010, researchers noticed a very strange thing. A black oily liquid like substance started coming out from the bodies of some mummies. Normally, mummies are completely dry. Scientists were also shocked to see this. The strangest part was that this black ooze was slowly damaging the bodies. Some mummies literally started feeling soft, as if their preservation was reversing. At first, researchers could not understand why this was suddenly happening. After thousands of years later, studies revealed that climate change and increased humidity could be a major reason. When moisture in the air increased, dormant bacteria became active and started breaking down the organic tissues of the mummies. Because of this process, the black liquid-like substance was forming. The discovery was warned archaeologists that even ancient artifacts can be destroyed due to modern climate change. Even today, researchers are continuously finding new methods to preserve these mummies. Number 3. In 1980, on a lonely highway in Texas, Betty Cash, Vicky Landrum, and Vicky's 7 years old grandson were traveling in a car. Suddenly, at night, they saw a large diamond shaped glowing object hovering above the road in the sky. The object was so bright that the entire area was filled with orange yellow light. As they got closer to it, they started feeling extreme heat inside the car. Betty said that it became difficult to even touch the steering wheel. The strangest thing was that multiple military style helicopters were also visible around the glowing object. According to the witnesses, the helicopters were flying while surrounding the object as if they were part of some operation. Shortly after the incident, all three began experiencing rapidly deteriorating health. They started feeling symptoms like skin burn, nausea, headache, hair loss, and radiation sickness. Betty Cash's condition was reported to be most serious and she had to be admitted to the hospital. This case became even more mysterious when the family filed a lawsuit against the US government, claim that perhaps that object was some secret military experiment, but the government officially denied any involvement. The shocking thing is that even today, no clear explanation has been found. Some people consider it to a UFO encounter. Some believe it was secret military technology, while others think the witnesses may have seen some rare atmospheric or experimental aircraft phenomena. Number 4. In the 19th century, a very luxurious room was built in Russia known as the Amber Room. The walls of this room were made of pure amber panel. Actually, amber is millions of years old tree resin. It is like gum, but over time it hardens and becomes a strong like material. Its beauty was so famous that people were starting calling it the English wonder of the world. This room was later installed in Russia's Catherine Palace during World War II when Nazi Germany attacked Soviet territories. German soldiers dismantled this priceless room. According to reports, the amber panels were carefully packed and taken to Königsberg. For some time, people knew that room existed there, but around 1945, it suddenly disappeared without a trace. Königsberg was heavily bombed at the end of the war, and after that, the Amber Room completely vanished. Many theories have emerged since then. Some people believe the room was destroyed in the bombing because amber is very fragile and can burn in fire. On the other hand, treasure hunters and historians believe that the Nazis secretly hid it in some underground bunker, hidden mine, or secret tunnel. The shocking thing is that for decades, countless searches have been conducted in Germany, Poland, and Russia. Many times, rumors spread that the room was found, but no final proof was even obtained. Even today, the original Amber Room is counted among the world's most famous lost treasures. Russia has also built a reconstructed version of it, but the mystery of the real Amber Room is still considered unsolved. Number 5. In the deep areas of Andes Mountains and the Amazon jungle in South America, legends of a mysterious lost city have been told for centuries, known as Petiti, according to the stories, when the Spanish were conquering the Inca Empire, some Inca rulers took their gold treasures and sacred objects and moved into a hidden city deep in the jungle. Legends say that Petiti was a massive secret city where enormous amounts of gold, silver, and priceless artifacts were hidden. Because of this, it is sometimes also called the Lost City of Gold. The strangest thing is that for centuries, explorers, treasure hunters, and researchers have been trying to find it. Many people have claimed that they found unusual stone structures, ancient roads, or ruins in the jungle. Some satellite images and aerial scans have also shown strange geometric patterns which increased the speculation. But the problem is that the Andes and Amazon jungles are extremely dense and dangerous. The paths there are so difficult that many expeditions have failed and some explorers have even mysteriously disappeared. Some historians believe that Petiti may only be a myth or that stories of different Inca settlements combined to create this legend. But on the other hand, some archaeologists believe that undiscovered structures still exist inside the jungle. Till today, no confirmed proof of Petiti has been found. However, even few years, new clues and expedition reports revive this mystery again. Number 6. In 2002, in a remote area of Qinghai province in China, researchers made a very strange discovery that later became known as the Pagong Pipes mystery. Dozens of pipe-like structures were found on the lake and mountains that looked exactly like rusted metal pipes. Some pipes were going inside caves and some appeared to extend all the ways under the lake. The strangest thing was that, according to some reports, iron and unusual materials were found in these pipes, and their shape looked so artificial that people started speculating that this might be work of some ancient lost civilization or extraterrestrial beings. This mystery gained so much attention to Chinese media even started calling them alien pipes, but later many geologists gave a different explanation. According to them, these were not actual metal pipes but a natural fossilized formation of tree roots and mineral-rich sediment that had hardened into pipe-like shapes over thousands of years. Some experts said that such hollow tube structures can also form naturally due to iron-rich lava and sedimentary processes. The shocking thing is that even today there is no full agreement on this mystery. Some people consider it a natural geological phenomena, while conspiracy theories still connect it to unexplained ancient technology. Number 7. In 1980, a large granite monument suddenly appeared in the state of Georgia, USA, known as the Georgian Guidestones. There were massive stone slabs on which 10 guidelines or commandments for humanity were written in multiple languages. These messages mentioned ideas like popular control, balance with nature, international laws, and one living new language. The most controversial line was that the population of humanity should be maintained below 500 million. Because of this, Many people connected it with secret societies, New World Order, and conspiracy theories. The strangest thing was that the man who commissioned the monument never revealed his real identity. He only used the name R.C. Christian, which was probably a fake name. He hired a local granite company, got the monument built, and then almost disappeared till today. It has not been officially confirmed who he was or which group he represented. For years, the Georgia Guidestones remained at the center of mystery and controversy. Some people considered them a message for peace and future humanity, while others called them a symbol of a sinister agenda. Then, in July 2022, an explosion occurred in one of the authorities demolished the entire structure for safety reasons. The person who carried out the bombing was never officially identified, and R.C. Christian's real identity also remains a mystery to this day. Because of this, the Georgia Guidestones are counted among the strangest unsolved mystery of the modern history. Friends, which mystery shocked you the most? Do mention it in the comments. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel World Felt. See you in the next video. Thank you.